Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. Today, I will be doing what's in my makeup bag. Ito yung mostly na bag, makeup bag na ginagamit ko sa these are the makeup kit that I usually iniiwan dito sa office. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga dala ko. One lipstick and this one is from Sunny's Flat Matte Milkshake. So, ito medyo nude to. Yan. Yan yung shade niya. Then, I also have my cream chick paint in strawberry from BLK. So, ayan. Maganda to. Pero meron akong chick paint and then at the same time, hindi, chick paint lang pala yan. And then I have my powder foundation. This one is from Hourglass. So since summer ngayon, mas prefer ko na powder yung gamitin ko kaysa liquid foundation. And then I do have another lipstick from Maybelline. This one is a Touch of Spice. Favorite ko to. Ito yung talagang one of my the shades na lagi kong binibili. So yan, paubos na uli siya. Pero ito yung gusto ko. Pang everyday ko yan. Ito yung tipong shade na pag hindi mo maisip ko ano yung susuotin, gagamitin mo. I usually go for that. And then I always have concealer. This one is from Maybelline Age Rewind. So yan. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Pag dito, kasi madali lang siyang i-ganon. Hindi na kailangan ng sponge. Then I have another blush on. This one is from 3CE in the shade Yotima. Ito medyo to coral. Coral yung kanyang shade. Ibang-iba dun sa BLK. Ganyan siya. So, pag feeling ko gusto ko na medyo bronzy effect, yun yung ginagamit ko. And then, I also have an eyeshadow. This one is from Face Shop. I don't know what's the shade, but yan, medyo glittery. Yan siya. Face Shop. And then, I also have eyeliner from MAC. Oh no, lip liner. This one in the shade Spice. So, nude. Kasi minsan, gusto ko lip liner lang yung lip gloss. Then, I have an extra eyeshadow liquid. This one is from the BLK, the Bomb. Ito, brown. Then, I have an extra lip eyeliner from Tarte. Ito. So, yan. Pag gusto kong mag-eyeliner at may pupuntahan. And then, syempre, kailangan meron akong lip balm or this one is from One Day Tattoo Lasting Lip Tint. Sobrang ganda nito. You guys, try nyo to kasi sobrang tagal nito pag ginamit ko. Lip balm siya pero sobrang long lasting niya sa lips. So, this one in the shade Coral. And so, and then, what else? I also have an extra translucent loose powder. Shiseido. Maliit lang to. So, ito yung pag tipong gusto ko lang mag-touch up. Yan yung ginagamit ko. And then, an extra sponge. I think ang tatak nito is mine or Miniso. Kasi minsan gusto ko medyo precise yung pagkakalapat ng concealer. So, nagko-concealer ako. Nag-sponge ako. And then, the last remaining, ang pinakamadami ko siguro sa makeup kit is yung lipstick. But I have one. This one is from this one is Kat Von D from Lovecraft. Maliit lang siya. Maliit lang siya. Ganyan lang siya. Hint lang siya. And then, ayun. So, yan. Pag gusto ko na liquidy formula, ayun yung ginagamit ko. And then, I have the next. So, this is the Lano lip. So, ang ginagawa ko is I partnered it with a lip liner. Ito, or this one. It's Lano lips. Or, I also have one lip liner na naiwan ko. It's from Ever Pilena. Yung line ni Chris Aquino, mura yun. Magaganda yung mga lip liner nila. And then, syempre, we cannot forget about mascara. Brow mascara. This one is from Detailed brand. So, maganda siya. Katulad ngayon, di ba? End of the shift na. So, retouch na ako. And then, of course, kailangan lagi tayo mabango the whole day. I have this Coco Chanel na mini perfume. So, yeah. That's all. That's all I have for this one. Ito man, iniiwan ko tong makeup kit dito sa office kasi sobrang bigat. Dinadala ko lang siya during weekend kasi change ako ng makeup for like a week. So, yan. Yun lang yung aking dinadala. Go to makeup during office hour. So, yeah, that's all I have for today's video and I'll see you on my